QSL, calling CQ, calling CQ. Oscar Echo 5, Sierra Oscar Sierra is calling and listening and standing by.
Mexico 0, November, Radio Golf, static mobile.
The mobile station, please, the mobile station.
Roger. The call is Mike 0, November, Radio Germany, QSL.
There's another station close to us. We will try it again. Please try it again.
Yep, Mexico 0, November, Radio Germany.
Was it Italy 0, November, Romeo, Germany? Is this correct?
Okay, Mexico 0, November, Radio Germany, QSL.
Okay, sorry, now I got you. Mexico 0, November, Radio Germany. You're 5 and 7 in Austria, QSL.
Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 7. You're about 5 and 6 with me onto the south coast of England. We are just parked next to the beach. Working conditions are a Yaesu FT-891 and an ATAS-120A QSL.
Okay, thank you for the 5 and 6. I'm running here a flag studio with 100 watts beaming to you.
QSL. There seems to be, the band is very up and down. There is some QSB. You're anywhere from 5 and 3 to 5 and 6. So it's a little bit unstable at the moment. The weather conditions here, we have sunshine today, but it's very windy, QSL.
Yes, thank you. We have sunshine as well, but no wind, But I think we have approximately 23, 24 degrees, I think. In my shack, it's pretty cold, so I enjoy the day in my shack, and it's a pleasure for me not to be out. Okay, thank you. 73 to England.
Thank you very much, and thanks for coming back to my call. Oscar Echo 5, SOS M0 NRG. Thanks for now, 7-3.
You are there? Okay. Thank you. 73, Kurasset, calling CQ, calling CQ. Oscar Echo 5, Sierra Oscar Sierra is calling and listening and standing by. Echo 7/Alpha Delta 6 India Whiskey.
Mexico 0, November, Radio Golf Mobile.
Mexico 0, November, Radio Golf Mobile. Very good evening to you, sir. You 59?
Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 9. You're 5-9 plus 20 onto the south coast of England, QSL.
Oh, that sounds pretty good. Thank you very much. You're very, very strong as well. I don't have any problem to copy, except there is a lot of stations calling me at the same time. 73, and have a nice weekend. Drive safe.
73, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Echo 7.
Echo, Mike CQ20, over.
Yeah, Mike 0, November, Radio Germany Mobile.
Mike 0, November.
Mike 0, November, Radio Germany Mobile.
Mike 0, November, Radio Germany Mobile, 59. My name is Gary, over.
Okay, Gary, thank you for the 5 and 9. You're 5 and 5 with us, 5 and 5. We are parked up next to the beach on the south coast of England, near the town of Fareham. Working conditions here are a Yaesu FT-891, and we're using an ATAS-120A antenna on the back of the truck, QSL.
Roger. My power 100 watts. My antenna is one element quad. Many thanks.
Roger. Okay, Gary, thank you very, very much for that. The band seems to be a little bit unstable. There is a bit of QSB with us. But the weather here today, we have very nice sunny weather, but it's very, very windy, QSL.
Roger, very windy QSL. We are having now plus 21 C at the moment. 70, bye-bye.
CQDX, CQDX, Mike 0, November, Radio Golf Mobile. Mike 0, November, Radio Golf Mobile, calling CQDX and standing by.
Mike 0, November, Radio Golf, how copy? Echo Alpha 1, Japan, Charlie, Alpha, portable.
/P. Yeah, Echo Alpha 1, Japan Charlie, I think that was, straight portable. Very good afternoon to you. Name here is Nigel, November, India Golf, Echo Lima. I'll give you a SIG report on the next over. Back to you.
Oh, good afternoon there, Nigel. Yeah, you're coming in nice and strong to La Coruña, northern coast of Spain. I'm operating portable with just 30 watts on the top of a local hill. The name here is Craig, Charlie Romeo Alpha India Golf, and I was actually doing a bunker activation. QSL.
Yeah, Roger. Very nice to meet you, Craig. Well, there's some QSB on the band. You're a 5 and 5, peaking 5 and 5, or S5 with me. We're actually parked up next to. I don't know if you, obviously you know the UK. We're right opposite the Isle of Wight, so we're on the just on the Solent. So we're parked up there in the truck. Using an FT-891, 100 watts, and an ATAS-120A on the back of the truck, QSL.
QSL, you're doing a good job. Yeah, I used to live on the Isle of Wight years and years ago, so I know the area well. They're all sailing around there. I'm just using an old Clansman, Papa Romeo Charlie 320, an old 40-year-old military radio, QSL.
Roger. Well, it's working well. So I guess you got no S meter on that. So it's a guesstimate. Back to you.
Well, I have. It's been good. It's had the modification done, so I've got a rough idea of signal. And you're a good 5 and 8, 5 and 9 at the moment, correct, QSL?
Roger. Thanks for the 5859. Well, it's nice to know it's working. We've had a few problems with this, so I've got a Ford Ranger pickup, and we stuck the ATAS on the back, and I've had to do a bit of bonding with the body and all sorts of stuff. In the end, I was almost putting a counterpoise on. I've got a big piece of braid which is also bonded to the base of the antenna and wrapped around the tow bar and chucked across the ground. It seems to do the trick. It's tuning up well, and it seems to be working. Back to you.
Often it's easier to get one of those Chinese whips out and put a 5.5 metre telescopic Chinese whip in the antenna socket when you're parked up, yourself.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, well, we play around with different antennas. We do a lot of portable work ourselves normally. We go up on one of the hills, or we do WWFF stuff. We generally have a mast up on the side of the car with a chameleon delta loop on it. But we got some real strong winds here at the moment, so it was okay. Let's just pop down the beach, chuck the ATAS on the back, and see how it's working. So yeah, as you can imagine, we've got lots of wind surfers and I don't know, what do you call it? The kite surfing type stuff's going on. Back to you.
QSL, good fun. If I was 20 years younger, I'd do it myself. But yeah, that was a lot of good fun. Yep, so I'm actually activating a bunker, Echo Alpha 0037, which is Bateria B9 on the coast of La Coruña. But yeah, no, so I don't suppose you're too worried about that. But anyway, QSL.
Yeah, Roger. Okay, thanks very much for that. We'll put that information down. All right, Gary. There is a bit of QSB. Sorry, Craig, isn't it? There is a bit of QSB on the band at the moment. So I'll let you go. We'll probably put a few more calls out and then probably have a cup of coffee and call it a day. But nice to chat to you for the first time. We'll have a listen out. Back to you.
Have a good afternoon. Bye bye.
7-3. Bye bye. CQ6, Mike 0, November, Radio Golf Mobile, calling CQ on 6 and standing by.
Mike 0, November, Radio something. Good afternoon. My name is Luca. This is Italy, Kilo 2, Oscar, Delta, Delta, IK2, Oscar, Delta, Delta, copy.
Roger, India, Kilo 2, Oscar, Delta, Delta, Luca. Very nice to meet you. The name is Nigel, November India Golf Echo Lima, and the call sign is a Mike 0 November Radio Golf, and we are mobile, static mobile, QSL.
I need the last letter of your call. I need your last letter. Last letter of your call. Again.
Okay, the last letter is Golf. It's Mexico 0 November Radio Germany. November Radio Germany. Mobile QSL.
Roger, I see. Nigel, thank you. You're 5 and 5 at USB. Mike 0 November Radio Golf. Italy Kilo 2 Oscar Delta 5 and 5 in Juliet Nancy. 45 Juliet Oscar. JN 45 JO. Copy.
45. Yeah, okay. India Kilo 2 Oscar Delta Luca. Okay, Juliet Nancy 45 Juliet Oscar. If you stand by, I will just give you the locator for this location. Please stand by. Okay, the locator here is India Oscar 90 Juliet Tango. India Oscar 90 Juliet Tango. QSL?
QSL, I got it. India Oscar 90 Juliet Tango. Thank you, Nigel. What is your working condition? You are immobile. What is your setup? What are you working there? Over.
Roger. Yeah, the working conditions, we're using a Yaesu FT-891, 100 watts, and we have a Yaesu ATAS-120A, ATAS-120A on the back of the truck, QSL.
Roger, QSL, Yeasu FT-891 running FTDX10. I'm using FT-891 when I'm outside working portable. I'm running with FT-891. Congratulations, Nigel. Thank you for calling. And 73, and thanks. Enjoy the skip. 73 from IK2 Oscar Delta clear.
Okay, thanks very much, Luca, and thanks for coming back to the call. We'll catch you again further down. 7-3 for now. Bye-bye.
Secure on 70 meters, looking on 70 meters band. This is Charlie United, number 2, Bravo, November, St. Michael Island, Azores Islands, leasing on 70 meters and steady point for the calls.
Yeah, Charlie Uniform 2, Bravo, November, from Mike 0, November Radio, Germany, mobile, QSL.
Okay, mobile station, Germany 0, November Radio Golf, mobile station. Thanks for coming back here, Nils. A big pleasure once again to get on the radio. You're 5 and 6 here with QS Baker on the band. The band's still not too good. Maybe you have to wait a couple of hours to get a better report. For now, you're 5 by 6 over here with a bit of QS Baker noise also. My name is Vincent. I'll do a copy at this time. Go ahead.
Roger. Hi, Vincent. Very nice to meet you. You're also a 5 and 6 with QSB. The name here is Nigel, November India Golf Echo Lima. A quick rundown on the working conditions. We're using an FT-891, Yaesu FT-891, 100 watts, and an ATAS-120A, ATAS-120A on the back of the truck, QSL.
Oh, that's great, Nigel, no problem. 56 most of the times here with QS Baker and noise also on my side, but other than that, everything is okay. Thanks again for the one more time here on the radio. Have a nice and safe afternoon, and also the weekend. Mexico 0, November Radio Golf. This is Charlie United 2 Bravo November. By 73s, enjoy the portable station.
Cheers, Vincent. Catch again further down. Bye-bye now. 7-3.
You take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, Mexico 0, November Radio, Germany, mobile, QSL. Roger. You are 3 and 1 3 and 1 heavy QSB, QSL.
Roger, 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 Roger. Thank you. Mexico 0, November, Romeo, Germany. Mobile, the Yankee Oscar 2, Echo Oscar Charlie, so portable. We are coming here in Romania with 3132, 3132. Thank you very much. My name is Eugene. Back to you.
Okay, Eugene, thank you very much. I'm glad we actually managed to make the contact there. The name is Nigel, November, India, Golf, Echo, Lima, and we are mobile. We are parked next to the sea, on the south coast of England, QSL.
Sorry, my friend, I cannot copy you.
Okay, Eugene, we have you in the log, and maybe we'll catch you further down. 7-3 for now, 7-3.
I think I'm losing you. Mexico 0, November, Romeo, Germany, mobile. The Yankee Oscar 2, Echo Oscar Charlie, pro portable. You're in my log.
Cheers, Eugene, you're in our log too. Catch you again, 7-3.
73, bye-bye.
QRZDX 9K2 Echo Sugar.
Mexico 0, November, Radio Germany, mobile.
Mexico 0, question mark, stroke mobile, guys.
Roger, Roger. Mexico 0, November, Radio Germany, mobile. Very good afternoon. You are 5 and 5 into southern England, QSL.
Okay, I've got Mexico 0, November, Radio Germany, stroke mobile, Roger.
Roger, 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 Roger.
Okay, Mike 0, November, Radio Golf, stroke mobile, is that correct?
That is correct, QSL.
Okay, thank you. You are 55. And for the log, is it stroke mobile or without the stroke mobile?
Yeah, it's with the stroke mobile. We are static mobile. We are in the car, parked up next to the sea, QSL.
Okay, Nago, thank you. What's my signal report again?
Roger, you are also 5 and 5 with QSB. 5 and 5 with QSB, QSL.
Yeah, thank you so much. You are also 5-5 with heavy QSB. Mike 0, November, Radio Golf, stroke mobile, 9K2 Echo Sugar. Good luck and take care. 7-6, bye-bye.
Okay, Ahmed, thank you very much. 7-3 to you. Bye-bye.